Hello all of you, welcome to our session on Microsoft Excel. Yesterday we saw how to open Microsoft Excel and what are its tabs. Today we are going to see how to write a data in Excel. As you know that Excel is having certain rows denoted by numbers and columns denoted by alphabets. So if I have to write a data at this position, I will just zoom this for you. I have to write this data, suppose a number 20. So the coordinates for this number 20 will be column C and row 2. So it will be C2. If I write a data here, suppose 35, so the coordinates for this will be column E and row 3. In this way, you can write numerous amount of data in a tabulated form like this, and there are n number of rows and n number of columns which Excel provides you for the benefit of tabulating the data. You can give this a heading like number, like this. You can give this as any name for this column, suppose name A, name B, C, D and E. So A has number 20, B has number 30, C has 40. Like this, any type of data we can write in Excel. Other than the number, you can also write text in this. The above numbers and names are related to one another. So you can see I have written one sentence. Like Microsoft Word, you can also write a sentence in Excel. So in this Excel, we are going to see one by one what are the various functions used or shortcuts used in order to tabulate your data and calculate the various parameters in further videos. Thank you.